Hello, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna be kitting up this small diamond painting I got from Diamond Art Club. This is actually part of their free just pay for shipping trial sizes. So yeah, when I got it, I was actually pretty disappointed how tiny it is because I think on the listing it said it was supposed to be a 28 by 38 and I only got a 20 by 30, and I didn't think Diamond Art Club was one of those ones where they do the canvas size as opposed to the picture size, but but yeah, it was a trial thing. I paid $7.45 because I consider shipping part of the price of a what's it called, diamond painting. So yeah, and also I ended up getting the 4 pack. So I got all four of them. They're all rounds, so that really disappointed because I thought at least one of them would be a square. Nothing in the description I think told me whether they're round, square, or whatever. But these are just the trial ones, so I figure why not try it? So this will be, when I finish this, my first Diamond Art Club. Right now, I'm not happy just because of the size. Like I said, I thought they were one of the diamond painting companies that did picture size as opposed to canvas size. Um, I did get like a real Diamond Art Club, like a big one from Joann's, and that one was the right size based off of the picture. So I don't know. Did they just give me the wrong size? All I know is disappointment. So, but yeah, I figure I'll do this one. I'm gonna do all of them at some point. So, and I just want to kit up a couple small ones because I'm gonna be working on some larger diamond paintings. So I just like the small ones to be a break. And I'm just gonna kit up a bunch of them. I don't know what order I'm gonna do it in, so we'll see. You're gonna see a bunch of different kit up videos. All right, so I'm gonna just use, since this is a small one, I'm just gonna use these medicine containers that I got from Dollar Tree. There are 31 colors in this, so I'm gonna need 2 of these. So this will be on a time lapse. I did end up scanning the legend to make stickers. Oh yeah, another thing, the trial sizes don't have all the extra bling that the big diamond paintings from Diamond Art Club has. Like, there was no stickers. So yeah, disappointment there, but yeah, okay. I just thought it was just a trial size, but they would give me what exactly Diamond Art Club has. And plus, for some reason, this is not as soft as the one that I got from Joann's. So yeah, I don't know. And it's not laying flat, but yeah, okay. Sorry. I've just seen so many people like on some Diamond Art Club like Kool-Aid or something where they just have so much love for them, and then I get this trial size to try them out because I don't like and that many of their images to do in the massive sizes that they provide. If they did a couple smaller ones, I would buy more, but I can't keep doing massive ones. So I just got the trial sizes. Well, let's get on with the kitting up. I'll talk to you at the end of the video. Okay. Um, yeah, I don't know how much of the kitting up got recorded because I noticed that I had paused it when I went and took a break and I never turned it on. So I don't remember when I actually took a break. So yeah. So here it is. It's kitted up. I didn't realize. Okay, so they're on the strip. What's it called, bags. So then usually they're in order of DMC. This was like in I don't even know what order, like. So it took a little longer to kit this up just because I was looking for it. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know how they figured out whatever order this was supposed to be in, but there it is. It's kitted up and ready for me to diamond paint whenever I feel like. All right. Hello. So I decided to tack on this to the end of my kitting up video since it's not posted yet. But yeah, here it is. It's finished. Let's see. So this is my 50-second completion. Yay! Yeah, so you probably saw this in the kitting up video, but it was from Diamond Art Club. It's one of the promotional free just pay for shipping. It was $7.45. There were 31 colors, and these were round drills with poured glue, and there were DMC numbers. It took me 2 days to finish this. So yeah, here is, yeah, it's not the best image, but I had to take this from the promotional page from Diamond Art Club because they don't seem to sell this outside of the promotional free just pay for shipping. But yeah, here it is. Yeah, like you know what? The drills were awesome quality, but I find it's hard to gauge round drill quality because there's usually not as many problems with it. So yeah, I wish, I still wish that one of the promotional things was a square because you really see flaws in drills and squares just because of the lining up. But yeah, no, it was very, it's as good as it could be considering the size, I think. I think if I wasn't disappointed with how small this was, especially since I'm pretty sure the promotional thing had it at 28 by 38 because that's what I had in my spreadsheet. So if I wasn't disappointed by the smaller size, I think I would be very happy with this result. So yeah, Diamond Art Club, they do have, at least this first one that I've done, I mean, they do have really awesome quality drills. I do not deny that. And you know what? In the whole scope of things, I think if I was not disappointed by the size and the fact that the promotional free just for shipping ones don't contain everything that a normal Diamond Art Club does, I think I would have been happy with this. But yeah, mainly just the size. But yeah, here it is. It's beautiful. I have plenty of drills left. Like I said, the drills were awesome quality. And yeah, that's why I decided to add this to the end of the kitting up, just because I don't really have much to say. It looks fine. The drills were awesome quality. I just, for some reason, I can't get over the fact that I thought it was supposed to be bigger and it wasn't. So until I get over that disappointment, that's what I'm going to remember in my brain. But yeah, I mean, I think most people will find this beautiful. I think it turned out great for the size. And I do still have 3 more of the free just pay for shipping pictures. They are all equally as small, but I feel like the listing had them at those small sizes, so I wasn't as disappointed with those except for this one. But yeah, thank you for watching and happy diamond painting. Bye!